You didn't get here overnight. You worked hard to make an impact, to move up, to stand out. But hard work alone wasn't enough. Instead of waiting for opportunities, you sought them out. Rather than maintaining the status quo, you rose above. You patiently put in the time, and success has followed. Now that you've arrived, it's time to reward yourself. Time to match your choice of firearm to your lifestyle. Time to own something that's truly as unique as you are. It's time for Taurus Executive Grade. Congratulations, you've been promoted.